It's not that bad. Turn, it's gonna fall. Yes! No, I peeled it!
Okay, so here we are once again, and we are about to put some soap in the microwave. And there's gonna be some good times. Thank you. Oh, no, I'm gonna put a paper towel down. There's no telling what could happen. Let's see, let's just put it on 1 minute. It's growing a tumor. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. That is so cool.
What the hell?
Oh, wow. That is gold. That is crazy. Wow. No, you're going in for another minute. Look at that though. That is awesome. Get back in. Let's go. Let's do a minute 30. Oh, it smells beautiful. Oh, it's going now. That is crazy. I want to touch it. That's so funny. That is really cool. Yeah, it is ginormous now.
You're a giant marshmallow.
Yeah, it's so cool. Oh my gosh. That was just abnormal. I wonder if I could still use it after.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. Oh yeah. Wow. It looks like a giant hand or something. That is so cool. Oh, there you go, little guy. That is ridiculous. Is it growing at all anymore? I don't think so. Let's just suck her out. Oh. Wow.
That was a great time.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's weird, it's solid.
Wow, it's like foamy.
Yeah.
This is the weirdest.
Look at that.
It's like
so
bread.
weird.
That is really weird.
Yeah, it does feel exactly like bread.
I want to eat it for some reason. Don't.
I do, but it smells delicious. I bet you could still use this, even though it probably has like microwaves in it. Radiation. Wow. Oh, this would just be a perfect object to just throw at your little brother. Oh shoot! Ow! It
gets hot after
ah. No, I stuck my thumb in the middle of it. That was awesome, though. Look at that guy. It's awesome. I'm gonna make a sculpture out of this later. This deserves to be put in my room. Okay. So now we have a Doritos bag without any chips. And we're putting this in. 24 seconds seems good, so.
Oh my god, that freaked me.
That was awesome. You know what? Look how tiny it is. That is goofy. Wow, that smells so bad. There's the awesome soap, and then there's the terrible Doritos. I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, wow. Oh wow, it's like soft. Ooh. Look at that. That is so cool. It's gooey.
It's weird.
It's like burnt flesh or something. Look how tiny it is. It was huge before. That was huge. Wow. Wow.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Ready? Start it.
Is it? Yeah! That's good. That's... There you go. Just made
Open
cleanup
it.
easier. Yeah, open it.
Is it gonna be hot or?
Look at that. Ah, it smells awesome. Smells like...
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Sticky.
I want to see the soap though. Can we do the soap?
Look, it's literally shrunk.
No, it was awesome.